Hi guys, so today we'll be going to go and look at the Alexa app for PC. So this is the Alexa app for PC. It looks like this. So if you want Alexa to respond to your calls, you can just click on if you have wake word off, it will show like a dark blue, but if you turn it on, it will have this light blue. So if you turned it the wake word off, you have to only click it. Then you can say whatever you want. But if you have the wake word on,
Sorry, I don't know that. But you have would you rather for family enabled. Do
But
you
if
want to open it?
But if you have the wake word on, you can say Alexa and you no need to click on it. For example, Alexa, what's the weather today? Then Alexa will say the weather.
In Bangalore,
today.
Karnataka, it's 31 degrees.
As you got it. Then the next this music. So like the Amazon Music, you only have to find it only has musics which are only available in Amazon. So if you want, you can just play any song you have that is in Amazon Music. For example, I want to do this recently played song. I'm doing this. Then it will take some time.
Come closer to me.
And this is the song. It will show the Amazon. And this smart home, it will be like the place where you can do all the thing. You can see what if you're signed in the same account, you can see the devices that are connected. See the Alexa devices which are connected. Like for example, right now I actually have a Alexa at home. So this is like my Alexa device. So this is the Alexa one. You can also change the settings, but if it's in offline, you cannot change really much of the settings. But if that device is on, you can change a lot of settings. The next is communicate. So if you want to communicate someone, you can do that. In Alexa also, you can do that. For example, I want to announce, not announce. I want to send one to my someone random person, and I just want to call him. So I can just go and call him, but I don't want whatever is linked into your account. I think so you need an Alexa mobile app for that, but you need the Alexa mobile app for that. And this is the things to try. For example, you don't know what should you do in Alexa, you can just just do all these things. You can do or Alexa, you can do a lot of things like fun with Alexa. There are a lot of things. Then the settings, you can change some settings like wake word. Just ask Alexa. Alexa may use verb matter when the wake word is on. Actually, it's true. Respond while logged. Well, now, you can, if you turn this on, if I want to respond while logged. For example, my PC is locked, so I can just tell Alexa to do those things. So I might just turn it off. Then this app sounds indicates when Alexa starts and stops listening. Actually, this is quite useful for you, but if you don't want, you can do that. Like that things. But this is very useful for me, so I'm keeping this on. Invoke Alexa. So this Control Shift A. So if I want Alexa to come, then even if the wake word, I can just press Control Shift A, and as you can see, Alexa came. But if you want some other, you can customize Control. Can I change? No, you cannot change Control Shift. You can for example, I want Control Shift 1. Save it. So if I press Control Shift 1, now this Alexa came.
Should I play the song Click Click Boom?
No. Oof. This Alexa, no. Okay. Automatically send logs when something. If you want, you can do this, but if you are mostly in the privacy, you don't want any privacy things, you can just click this off. It's by default is off, but if you have some problem, you can just turn it on, and whenever something goes wrong, it will go. So for example, actually there's one something. So if when I try to click on this, the Alexa app actually goes away. It just gets hanged. So nothing is happening, but it's got hanged whenever I click on something. Now it's not, but sometimes the problems come. It's now hanged. Just launch Alexa again. I think so right now sending the logs, I think so that is the reason the problem came. No, so that now it's sending the log, so it took a little bit time, but it's your wish. Like if you want you can turn it on or not, but it's by default turned off. So again let it open. Okay, so the settings, I'm just go and turn it off. So if you like, I have logged in, but if you want you can, I will log out, you can sign out and again get signed in. And this help and feedback, like you can, if you want you can send one feedback. So I'm just clicking on send feedback, and I think so it will just take me to that it will just take me to the Amazon page. Let's see. Well, it's not opening, but it will always open in your default browser. If, for example, when you like the most default browser, yes, now it opened. Here you can send whatever your feedback is, and if you want to know some legal and compliments, you can just see this on all. And just let me close this. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.